anyway, I just wanted to welcome you to my channel. This channel is going to be all about photography and gear and software and tutorials and reviews and all that good stuff. I've been doing photography for about the last 20 plus years, and from Minnesota. I have been living in Memphis, Tennessee for the last 13 years, working as a biomedical photographer at a children's hospital down here. And this is Parker. This is our 1-year-old golden retriever, a big puppy in an adult body, 80-pound adult body. And I also have a 12-year-old cat, Jada, and an absolutely beautiful wife, Stephanie. So I hope you subscribe and like, and hope to answer any questions you might have. And yeah, I'll see you around. Thanks.